Before starting with the experiment, let's have a look at the items we are going to need. Distilled water, glass rods, one for each test tube we are going to use, pipettes, Lugol solution, test tubes, rice starch, flour, lettuce, a banana, an apple, some sugar, a potato, a knife, and a pestle and mortar. Remember, Lugol solution can stain your skin and clothes and hurt your eyes, so always wear a pair of gloves and eye protections. First of all, take an empty test tube and put some distilled water in it. Then, using a pipette, add some drops of Lugol solution and stir using a glass rod. This is the color the substance will take when there is no starch in them. Then take another test tube and add some more water. And some rice starch. Then add again some drops of Lugol solution and stir using a different glass rod. Rice starch became black because in rice starch there is obviously starch. This is the color the samples will turn to when exposed to Lugol solution. Now, for each food, take a small sample and using a knife and pestle and mortar, grind it. Then put it in an empty test tube and add some more water. Do the same with every food. So, in the test tubes we have put salad, banana, potato, apple, sugar and flour. Then add some drops of Lugol solution in each test tube. And using a different glass rod for each test tube, stir the content of the glass tube. So, as you can see, flour, potato and banana became black because there's starch in them, while salad, apple and sugar kept their yellow-brown color because there's no starch in them. So, starch is also used in paper to make it more resistant. We can test whether there's starch in some paper or not, just putting some drops of Lugol solution on it. As you can see by the border of the stains, this paper do not contain starch because the border is yellow-brown, while in this paper also the border became black, so this paper contains starch. Well, I hope you enjoyed the experiment.
See you in the next experiment.